Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we customize guys our phone display size. Guys you can see guys your phone display size guys. You want to customize, you want to set according to yourself like small, default and large size. So how can you use this setting, your display size setting in your Oppo phone? In this video friends I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So when we will turn on our phone setting to customize display size setting. Then guys scroll it. Friends you can see guys your console setting. Friends tap your guys click on your guys font and display size setting. And guys scroll. Friends you can see your display size setting is you can customize according to yourself with default size and small size and large size. So example for guys we will click on the small size, apply from here. Friends you can see your display size will small, you can see. So as you can see your display size, small display size setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.